1944 Deluxe Sedan. Price, $34,000. Location, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Take a look at this stunning 1944 Deluxe Sedan, a beautifully customized classic that perfectly blends iconic pre-war styling with modern street rod appeal. With its bold color combination and carefully updated design, this is the kind of classic that stands out wherever it goes. The 1940 Ford is widely considered one of the most beautiful American automobiles ever produced. Its flowing fenders, signature waterfall grille, and streamlined body lines have made it a favorite among collectors and custom builders for decades. Even more than 80 years later, the design still looks elegant, timeless, and unmistakably Ford. This particular deluxe sedan has been transformed into a custom cruiser while preserving the character that made the original so legendary. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior with a matching purple interior, it's a build that isn't afraid to make a statement. The unique color combination gives this Ford a distinctive personality that's sure to attract attention at any cruise night or classic car show. According to the listing, this sedan features an automatic transmission driving the rear wheels, making it much easier and more enjoyable to drive than many traditional classics. While the engine specifications aren't provided, the vehicle is identified as a custom build, suggesting it has been upgraded to deliver improved performance and everyday reliability. The odometer shows approximately 3,644 miles, indicating relatively low mileage since its build or restoration. That makes this Ford an excellent choice for someone looking for a classic that's already been completed and is ready to hit the road. One of the biggest advantages of a four-door sedan like this is its practicality. Unlike many classic coupes, the deluxe sedan offers comfortable seating for family and friends without sacrificing the timeless styling that made the 1940 Ford such an icon. It's equally at home cruising downtown, attending weekend car shows, or taking a scenic drive on the open road. Custom-built classics like this allow owners to enjoy vintage looks without many of the compromises that come with original factory vehicles. The combination of modern drivability, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and unmistakable 1940 Ford styling creates a package that's both enjoyable and dependable. Located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, this customized 1940 Ford Deluxe sedan is currently offered for $34,000. For anyone looking to own a distinctive American classic with plenty of personality, this Ford is definitely worth considering. 1940 Ford Tudor Sedan. Price, $22,995. Location, Lithia Springs, Georgia. Here's a beautifully customized 1940 Ford Tudor sedan that perfectly captures the spirit of a traditional American hot rod. Combining the timeless styling of one of Ford's most iconic pre-war designs with tasteful modifications, this classic is built to turn heads wherever it goes. The 1940 Ford is widely regarded as one of the most desirable classic Fords ever produced. Its streamlined body, signature waterfall grille, rounded fenders, and elegant proportions have made it a favorite among collectors and custom builders for generations. Even today, the 1940 Ford remains one of the most recognizable shapes in automotive history. This particular Tudor sedan has been tastefully modified while preserving the character that made these cars legendary. Finished in a rich green exterior paired with a clean gray interior, it offers a classic color combination that complements its vintage styling without feeling overdone. According to the listing, this Ford features a manual transmission driving the rear wheels, providing the engaging driving experience enthusiasts expect from a traditional classic. While the engine specifications aren't listed, the vehicle is described as modified, suggesting it's been updated to deliver improved reliability and drivability while maintaining its old-school personality. With approximately 187 miles shown on the odometer since its build or restoration, this Tudor sedan presents as a fresh custom that's ready to be enjoyed. Whether you're taking it to local cruise nights, weekend car shows, or simply enjoying an evening drive, it's the kind of classic that never goes unnoticed. One of the best things about the 1940 Ford is its versatility. Some owners build them into high-performance street rods, while others prefer a more traditional hot rod approach. This example strikes a nice balance, offering timeless styling with tasteful upgrades that enhance the overall driving experience. Its two-door body style, rear-wheel drive layout, and unmistakable pre-war design make it a standout among classic American automobiles. More than 85 years after it first rolled off the assembly line, the 1940 Ford continues to inspire enthusiasts around the world. Located in Lithia Springs, Georgia, this customized 1940 Ford Tudor sedan is currently offered for $22,995, making it an attractive opportunity for anyone looking to own a classic Ford with custom appeal at a competitive price. 1940 LaSalle Series 40 Convertible. Price, $64,950. Location, Phoenix, Arizona. If you're searching for a truly elegant American classic with a fascinating history, this 1940 LaSalle Series 40 convertible deserves your attention. Beautifully preserved and remarkably original, this rare luxury convertible represents the final chapter of one of General Motors' most prestigious automotive brands. LaSalle was introduced by Cadillac in 1927 as a companion mark, offering many of Cadillac's engineering and luxury features in a slightly more affordable package. Designed under the direction of the legendary Harley Earl, LaSalle quickly earned a reputation for combining sophisticated styling with premium craftsmanship. By 1940, however, the brand was nearing the end of its production, making surviving examples especially desirable among collectors today. This Series 40 convertible captures everything that made LaSalle special. Finished in an elegant black exterior paired with a rich red and burgundy interior, the color combination perfectly complements the car's graceful pre-war styling. From the sweeping front fenders to the distinctive chrome grille and flowing body lines, every detail reflects the craftsmanship of America's golden age of luxury automobiles. According to the listing, this example remains original and highly original, a quality that significantly enhances its appeal to collectors who value authenticity. Preserving a classic in this condition becomes increasingly rare as the decades pass, making this LaSalle a standout among pre-war American luxury cars. Under the hood sits a powerful 322 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a manual transmission. Sending power to the rear wheels, this combination delivers the smooth, relaxed driving experience expected from a luxury convertible of its era. 1940 Pontiac Special 6 Coupe. Price, $53,900. Location, Hingham, Massachusetts. Here's a classic that you don't see every day. A beautifully customized 1940 Pontiac Special 6 Coupe. Combining elegant pre-war styling with the unmistakable appeal of a traditional custom build, this Pontiac offers a refreshing alternative to the more common Ford and Chevrolet classics. The 1940 Pontiac represents one of the final expressions of General Motors' pre-war design philosophy. From its flowing front fenders and gracefully rounded body to its distinctive split grille and long hood, every angle reflects the craftsmanship and attention to detail that defined American automobiles before World War II. This particular example has been transformed into a custom build while preserving the timeless silhouette that made the original so attractive. Finished in a vibrant yellow exterior, the car commands attention from every direction. It's a bold color choice that perfectly complements the smooth curves and vintage styling of this elegant coupe. Inside, the gray interior provides a clean contrast to the bright exterior, creating a balanced and comfortable cabin. The two-door coupe layout gives the car a sporty appearance while maintaining the spacious feel that made these Pontiacs popular during their time. According to the listing, this Pontiac is equipped with a manual transmission sending power to the rear wheels, delivering the engaging driving experience that many classic car enthusiasts appreciate. While the engine specifications aren't listed, the vehicle is identified as a custom build, suggesting thoughtful upgrades have been made to improve its overall performance and reliability. The odometer shows approximately 50,019 miles, and the car appears ready for its next owner to enjoy. Whether it's cruising through town, attending local car shows, or joining weekend classic car events, this Pontiac offers the kind of timeless style that never goes out of fashion. One of the things that makes this car especially appealing is its rarity. While 1940 Fords and Chevrolets are frequently seen at collector events, a custom Pontiac Special 6 Coupe is far less common. That uniqueness makes it an excellent conversation piece and a standout addition to any classic car collection. The combination of rear-wheel drive, a manual transmission, custom styling, and iconic pre-war design creates a driving experience that's both nostalgic and rewarding. It's a car that celebrates the golden age of American automobiles while offering the individuality that many collectors are searching for today. Located in Hingham, Massachusetts, this customized 1940 Pontiac Special 6 Coupe is currently offered for $53,900. For enthusiasts looking to own something truly distinctive, this classic Pontiac is an opportunity that's hard to overlook. 1940 Plymouth Coupe. Price: $35,000. Location: Tulsa, Oklahoma. If you're a fan of classic American customs, this 1940 Plymouth Coupe is a perfect example of how vintage style and modern performance can come together in one beautiful package. It keeps the timeless look of a pre-war Plymouth while incorporating upgrades that make it far more enjoyable to drive in today's world. The 1940 model year was a significant one for Plymouth. It was the only year for the P9 Road King and P10 Deluxe series before civilian automobile production came to a halt during World War II. Because of that, surviving examples have become increasingly desirable, especially customized builds like this one. At first glance, the sleek black exterior immediately grabs your attention. The long hood, flowing front fenders, and rounded roofline capture everything enthusiasts love about late 1930s American automotive design. It has all the character of a true pre-war coupe while maintaining a clean, timeless appearance. Unlike the original factory setup, this Plymouth has been upgraded with a modern V8 engine, replacing the original 201 cubic inch flathead inline-six. While the exact engine specifications aren't listed, the V8 conversion dramatically improves both performance and reliability, making this classic much more comfortable for regular cruising and highway driving. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an automatic transmission, offering a relaxed driving experience that blends classic looks with modern convenience. The combination of rear-wheel drive and V8 power makes this Plymouth a true driver's car, whether you're heading to a local cruise night or taking it out for a weekend road trip. Inside, the cabin has been thoughtfully updated with plush tan leather seats that add a touch of luxury without taking away from the car's vintage personality. A tilt steering column provides additional comfort behind the wheel, making longer drives much more enjoyable while preserving the coupe's classic charm. According to the listing, the odometer shows approximately 9,119 miles, and the vehicle has seen recent road use, indicating that it's more than just a showpiece. It's a custom build that's meant to be driven and enjoyed, not simply stored away in a garage. With its beautiful pre-war styling, upgraded V8 drivetrain, automatic transmission, and comfortable interior, this Plymouth offers the best of both worlds: classic American design paired with modern drivability. Located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, this 1940 Plymouth Coupe is currently available for $35,000. For anyone searching for a unique custom that stands apart from the usual Fords and Chevrolets, this Plymouth is definitely worth a closer look.